Welcome to Vexchange, the first DEX on the Vechain Thor blockchain. Vexchange brings Uniswap functionality to Vechain, where you can swap any VIP180 token for another. You could also use it to send tokens, join a liquidity pool between VIP180 pairs, and much more. You can interact with the Vexchange dApp via Sync2 on a desktop or directly from the official Vechain mobile wallet. This tutorial will explain how to provide liquidity between two VIP180 tokens from the Vechain mobile wallet. Before we begin, always be sure you have enough VTHO gas in your wallet to cover the transaction fees as you transact on Vexchange. And with that, let's get started. Navigate to the Pool tab. Here you can join an already established pool between a pair of VIP180 tokens. If a pool doesn't exist yet, you can establish one by clicking Create Pool. We'll start with a common pool, the VET and VTHO pool. Click Join, and we can then add liquidity. You will need to add equal value to both sides of the pair. Let's choose 1000 VET. The other side should auto-calculate using the current ratio of the pair. Both ratios are listed below, as well as your overall percentage stake of the pool. The pair ratio is a helpful tool to help you minimize impermanent loss. Impermanent loss happens if a pair ratio changes between your entry position and your exit position in a pool. It's a good idea to keep track of your entry and exit ratio positions, as well as read more about impermanent loss before staking liquidity. Your pool share factors into your overall percentage of transaction fees earned by providing liquidity for your specific pair. Here, our percentage of the pool is small, but pooling liquidity on a high-volume pair can still make this a good position. Click Supply, and after confirming your final details, click Confirm Supply. Once again, be sure to have enough VTHO in your wallet to cover the transaction fee, and then sign the transaction with your wallet password. The data packet of your transaction is then sent to the blockchain, and you should get confirmation when it has successfully transacted. Hitting Confirm will take you back to Vexchange, where you will see your liquidity details. You can even view the transaction on Vechain Explorer. Exit the Vechain dApp and head back to your Assets tab. You should see both VET and VTHO amounts subtracted from your holdings. You can also view transaction history at the top of the Discover tab to make sure your transaction was successful. Head back to Vexchange and select Pool. If the pool you joined does not show up automatically, click Import it to manually import the pool you joined. Enter your two tokens to import the pool. You'll see your current position reflected in Liquidity Pool tokens. Liquidity Pool tokens reflect the pair you've staked and the amount on each side. Click on your staked pair to see more details. Here you can choose to add more to your position or remove your liquidity. Let's remove our liquidity from the pool. When clicking Remove, you can choose how much of your liquidity you'd like to remove. We'll remove 100%. Here again, we have to approve this function to unlock it, as this is the first time performing it. Click Approve to unlock the function and sign with your wallet password. Once the transaction is validated on the blockchain, you can select Confirm and sign again with your wallet password to remove your liquidity. If you return to your Assets tab in your mobile wallet, you should see your staked tokens returned, along with any transaction fees gained and any impermanent loss that is now permanent from exiting your position. To see the most popular liquidity pools and their respective volume levels, you can visit the following address: info.vexchange.io. Thanks for watching and using Vexchange, and happy pooling!